guys, I got the Nintendo Switch 2 on, well, the release day, and you're probably looking at me like an idiot. Well, yeah, and you're like, it came out yesterday. Well, I'm actually in England right now, and it's June 5th, so technically I got it on announced date, but still. So yeah, we're going to open it. So yeah, this is gonna be a long video. Do you have any scissors so we can like? No, you
it's okay. We don't need the box anyway.
Yeah, fine.
There you go. All right, there you go. Start your unboxing.
Oh, do you do this? I think you do this. Look. This is how it's supposed. If I'm doing this correctly. Oh, I do. This is kind of hard. How do you open this properly? Oh, okay. Oh my key, yeah. Gotta be careful. Okay, guys. We have the screen. Now I'm gonna open up it. Now we're gonna get the Joy-Cons, the like other important. Ooh. Okay, the red Joy-Con. There's also like a new mouse feature, if I remember. Now there's this. You can put them like in here. Like, oh, that's good. Right, get them out like this. I'm pretty sure. This. No, you get this. This is just the charger cord so you can plug it to the TV. So I'm not really gonna open them up. Really, there isn't really any point of getting them out. And now the dock. That boy thick. That boy thick. I also want to see if you want to see the charger plugs, well, you don't really need to use them right now at the moment. Okay. Now we're going to put them. Hey guys, you're going to see this on camera. I can't. Want to see? We're going to see the. Here we go. Guys. Oh, dude, that's so satisfying. Oh, yeah. Why is this so large?
Yeah.
This is huge. For you guys, it may be not that large, but like actual real life, it is. And then if you want to put it in the TV, you just do this. Carefully, because you might scratch the screen of it. So yeah, if you want to know how to set it up, just do this. I'm going to get it out so you guys can see it. Boom. It fell down immediately in like 2 seconds. But yeah, if you want to play it on the screen, that's how to do it. I don't know why this is. I feel like the screen is larger than the original one. Anyways, I think that's it. Is that it? I think that is. Is that it? Hold up, there's actually more. I was about to end the video. Oh, here's the download code for Mario Kart and manual and then an HDMI cord, because of course. And there's like a wrist. Okay, this already. At the moment, I don't really need it. I'll be back with you with a little bit. Hold on. Hold on, guys.
I said that we should download the game
Yeah.
so you can play it.
Get in there.
Wasting your minutes.
Now I'm gonna turn it on. If it's even on, I think it is. The screen not scratched at all. Brand new. Also, if you're wondering what the new C button is, I think it's for like a camera mode, and you could like go online with your friends. Now, which I don't really have friends, but yeah. Now we're gonna press the home button. Actually, I think you're supposed to press this button. You're supposed to press. Can I get camera focus? Yeah, you're supposed to press that button. If it's gonna have the.
Here it is.
Well, that was boring.
Alright, so now
For an intro, that was kind of.
is that the end of the video?
Yeah, that's pretty much
Alright.
it of the video. So yeah, bye.